This is a short video that will accompany the BEI question list that you have in this unit. Now, I don't know how familiar you guys are with this particular questioning approach, but the idea of sitting in an interview with a resume and people asking you questions about what's already on the resume is long gone. So let me share with you some learnings. There is a theory behind behavioral event interview questions, and that is that in telling your story, the past is the preview of the future. Your past behaviors will indicate how you would behave in the particular role you're seeking. And so it's not surprising that the questions that you will see on the list are really centered on the skills that you know people in the workforce are looking for. No doubt you're already familiar with these skills and their importance. To tell the truth, thinking about BEI questions and answers is kind of fun if you're willing to put in the time and reflect when you need to. Thank you.